we're not rehearsing it. This is live.
Yes, yes,
This
yes.
is genuine. This is authentic. This is what we do. We come up with recipes. We come up with recipes that accommodate the Ugandans. We come up with the seasonings that are going to accommodate the Ugandans because this is what it's about. Gee. Hi, I'm Tiffany Lowe. Today I'm going to present to you an alkaline dish called oyster mushrooms. So this is something that we use to substitute for meat. I know you guys love meat, you guys love the beef, you love the chicken, but I got something for you that'll taste better than that and it's guilt-free. So come on, let me show you. So you see these oyster mushrooms. When you first get them, they have these little ends to it, right? These are good, delicious as well. But for this particular dish, we're going to cut those off. These, do not throw them away. You can use these later because I'm going to show you a little bit later what we're going to do with these. So now, earlier we put together a batter. Okay, so check this out. Now you want to make sure that you get the batter over the mushroom so you can have that crispy after effect. I know you guys wondering, what's in the batter? What's in the batter? Now, I use all Dr. Sadie approved seasonings for the batter, so I've just used a little sea salt. You can check on quagala.org to see what the alkaline seasonings are. Now, you guys want to make sure that we use a very light batter, okay? You don't want to use that heavy white batter that you guys use for the chapati. We're going to try to digress from that and use light batter. So I think the closest alkaline batter here in Uganda is millet flour. And you got barley bean flour. These are 2 ancient grains. So I can't tell you exactly what seasonings to put in your batter. But for me, I have a little secret. I don't want to fry it too hard because we use having this in burgers. So this is the outcome. Make sure you separate them. And make sure the fire is not too high, or they'll burn easily. These are quick dish, it doesn't take long. This is the mushrooms without the dry batter on top of it, without double batter, okay? Now I want to show you how these are going to turn out. This is the difference when you don't double batter them. You spend less money going alkaline. A lot of people think that when you go alkaline that you're going to spend more money. No, you spend more money buying meat, buying the beef, buying the chicken, the pork. Yes, you spend more money. So you better off getting the vegetables and start to be creative. You guys are creative. You come up with some good delicious meals, but I started you off with some. Now, when you're cooking the mushrooms and they're not double battered, you have to make sure the heat is high, not too high, but high enough so they can cook. Because if not, they'll come out soft. See, they're similar. It's just one may be a little crunchier than the other.
I'm Jose Messiah.
Are you sure?
AKA Chef Jose.
Okay.
Yes. And I'm here. I want to do that.
Because it's all good. At the end of the day, we about to eat some chips, okay? But I don't see the potatoes. Usually we eat chips with potatoes. So what are you doing?
These are gonna taste like potatoes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm really sure. This is alkali. This is matoke. It's a substitute to the potatoes.
Okay.
Yeah, and believe me or not, it's gonna taste delicious. I'm gonna spice it a little bit.
Okay.
The seas. This is pink salt. It's a substitute of the regular salt. It's alkaline. Yes. So we're gonna season it a little bit. Want to get that taste, a good taste.
So the only thing you're gonna put in it is salt?
Just this.
That's it?
Yes.
Alright.
You don't need to spice it a lot because you might lose the content. I think, yeah, this is done.
Okay, so what type of oil are you using?
I'm using sunflower. Sunflower is alkaline.
Okay.
Yes. It's a substitute of the regular oil. And the regular oil is, I won't mention the brand, but the normal oil you use. Yes. So,
how hot the grease have to be before we put it in there?
Okay, you first drop a little, like a piece in it. Like it has to first go down as you see, then come at the top slowly. Just the way it has done. That shows that our cooking oil is ready.
Okay. And
we're able to add more of this.
Sure.
Yeah. Wash your hands. And I have to make sure you put a little bit of them so that they don't get attached to each other.
But Jose, sometimes when I see people making chips, they use a lot of oil, and I see now you use it only a little bit. Why?
Too much oil is not healthy.
Okay.
So you have to use a little bit of it. Everything has to be a little.
Okay.
Yeah, we are looking for neutralization.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
So as it is cooking, you need to strain out the oil out of it. So you need to prepare this. You can use a paper towel. This is paper towel, kitchen tissue.
Put the mushrooms on there, but I made a nice little sauce for the chips. So we're gonna have some chips that's made out of tomato sauce. A nice little sauce for the burgers, so it's gonna be really tasty. Also, we're gonna kind of switch it up a little bit and do avocado burgers with mushrooms.
Wow. So our chips is ready now after 6-5 minutes. So how you know it's ready is that it turns a little bit brownish, as you can see, and it comes at the top. It's up to you to make it more harder. If you want it more harder, you can leave it there for some more minutes, like 2 or 3 or more. Or maybe you're used to the shape or the way they cut the potatoes, maybe.
It doesn't matter, but it looks like real potatoes. Mozungu potatoes.
Not Mozungu.
Yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna taste. You wanna taste it?
Tell us.
How does it taste? How does it taste? Who else want to taste it?
I'm not gonna say anything like you gotta taste it.
Just
Franca.
come over.
So you guys, any feedback about the taste of the stuff?
I'm telling you,
they're good.
this is crunchy and delicious.
It's nice. It doesn't have so much. It doesn't taste like it has so much oil. It's nice. And then we mix it with the tomato sauce. Just comes like.
Oh.
Here they use very less oil.
Okay.
It tastes nice. And then man, you just have to try it with this thing. It's just
delicious actually. Let me show you something.
Okay.
if you just take this and you add on that and you eat. This is so awesome.
Yeah, they're likely the same to the normal chips we have here, but just the only difference is this alkaline and those others are not alkaline. So yeah, if you just taste, if you have a tester on this, you're going to believe what I'm talking about. So let me first try. Wow, so this is so cool. Anyone have to try this?
Wow.
This thing is nice. So instead of trying Irish, you better try this substitute.
Well, I love the taste of this. It really tastes like, real chicken. So this can perfectly be a substitute for all the sorts of meats that are not healthy. Having this sort of chicken is healthy because after all, the mushroom itself is alkaline. And we are trying to introduce some alkaline dishes in our lives, which alkaline dishes are very healthy for our lives and for our generation. And therefore, I call upon all of you out there to adopt alkaline dishes, alkaline stuff in your diet, in addition to the exercise, and I'm sure we shall be a good generation.
So now we're going to reverse this thinking and reprogram your mind to know that you can still get the texture, you can still get the taste, but you'll be eating alkaline. So you guys, I'm looking forward to showing you all the recipes that I have, sharing with you guys so you can pass it on to generation and generation, your children, your family, your friends, and you guys make it fun. You don't have to be serious about this, make it fun. You could make some matoke with hearts. You could make it with diamonds, squares, you know. Make it fun. Otherwise, we're here still making the matoke chips. Like I said, you guys are not going to be missing anything. You're still going to have that taste. The only difference is a little higher class taste. It's light. I'll show you guys Himalayan salt. I believe you guys have this in your stores. This is sea salt.
It's like I'm loathing in lost. Vegas, why I'm so lost, but I make a small wager. I bet you I'll be in tomorrow's paper.
Oh yeah, we're making more burgers.